Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I decided I'm going to do a collective haul video, so I'm going to put a few different hauls in the same video because you guys seem to like when I do that, and it's actually easier for me. This is an order from Grove Collaborative. I actually got it earlier in the week, but I have not had any time to film this. It's actually Saturday morning when I'm filming this, and I'm going to show you everything I got. I'm going to start off by saying I am not a Grove Collaborative affiliate. There are a lot of YouTubers that are affiliates of Grove Collaborative. I am not one of them. So I'm not somebody that needs to like push referrals and push sales because I have nothing to do with them. I'm a normal customer. I've been a Grove customer about 3 years now. I actually got my mom into it and several of my personal friends, and they love it. And I do place an order with them. I would say maybe every 2 months or so, sometimes a little bit less, sometimes a little bit more. The nice thing is you can pause and, you know, resume orders and whenever you want, whenever you need things. So I do have a referral link for them. It's not a commission link. It's a link that will get you a 5-piece gift set. They change the items all the time, and you'll actually get your own referral link that you can share with your friends, your family, your mom, whoever, coworkers as well. And I'll leave that down below if you want to try it out because they have a ton of great items. I've noticed lately they've been adding tons of new items. So I'm going to show you a bunch of stuff that I ordered. And yeah, let's get started. So the first thing I got are these 7th generation wipes. I have used these exact wipes before. I really like them, but I actually got these for a baby shower, or actually a baby sprinkle. My girlfriend is having a surprise baby, so I got this for her little sprinkle party. Diapers and wipes were really high on her wish list, so I got her some wipes, and then I'm also going to go ahead and get her a gift card and a couple other small items as well. So I got those, and then the rest of the things I got from Grove I'm really excited about. So the first thing I got, I'm going to pull out a couple things here. So the first thing I got is this reusable cleaning bottle. You can make your own cleaning solutions. Grove does have their own cleaning solutions that you just add water, or you can obviously make your own. And I actually got this one for my mom because I have this same bottle, but the bottom part is like a light teal. And my mom really likes it, so she actually saw me cleaning my washer and dryer one day and asked me if I could pick her up one of these on my next order. She orders a lot less frequently than I do, so I told her I would just pick it up. So it's a glass reusable bottle, so she's going to make her own like a vinegar cleaner, so that's for her. And then also I got, they have a lot of really cool reusable bottles and stuff like that. So this I actually got for our bathroom for hand soap because I want to switch over. These are what I already have these, guys. These are 2 bottles that I got several months ago from Grove, and I love them. So I use these for hand soap and dish soap on my kitchen sink, and a lot of you guys have noticed these in previous videos and asked where they're from. They are Grove. They're glass reusable refillable bottles. And you guys will see in a minute, I'm going to show you the refills that I got. You can also use these with any brand of soap. I've used Bath & Body Works soap. I've used Mrs. Meyer's soap. I've used Method soap. I've literally just get the soap and pour it into the bottle. And I just think it's pretty. They're easy to clean. You just wipe them down. You can scrub them down. And I really like them. So these are the ones that I currently have. And I got this one for our downstairs bathroom, so I can start putting whatever soaps I have in here. And I also have a foaming hand soap upstairs in our master bathroom. So this is going to be perfect to complete the last one that I need, which is for our downstairs main bathroom. Okay, so to go along with the bottles, I got some refills, and the refills are very, very good price, I find. So I got the gel dish soap in lemon, eucalyptus, and mint, and I also got another in the pomegranate and red currant, which is when these bottles came out, when this scent was released again several months ago. These are really cost effective, I find, and really, really good. I never had any issues with cleaning my dishes. They are 95% bio-based, so they have no synthetic fragrances, dyes. They're just really good. So 32 ounce. So when my current dish soap bottles of, I think I have like 1 Mrs. Meyer's and 1 Method one left. are done, and I go through dish soap pretty quickly. So these will last me, I would imagine, throughout the whole summer, and then I'll just repurchase another couple of them in the fall. I try to order a couple at a time. So I have those. This one I'll probably put in there, and then this one I'll probably use just as a backup when those run out. And then I also got, I love granite cleaners, and I love 7th generation. I've loved 7th generation for a long time, even before anybody even knew what it was. It's actually out of Burlington, Vermont, which is not very far from where I am. But yeah, I have loved their other granite cleaner for years. Right now I'm using the Jaws Just Add Water System Cleaner, which I love. But when I saw that they had 7th generation had come out with this, I was all over it, because I just like to try new cleaners. I like to find the best of the best products that work, and I don't know, I just really like it. So this is the 100% essential oils and botanical mandarin orange granite and stone cleaner. So I thought I would use this for not only my countertops but also for my backsplash. Since we have like a marble stone backsplash, I thought this would be great. And it's a larger bottle than the normal 7th generation granite cleaner, so I've never tried that before, and I'm really excited for it. I also wanted to try I've wanted to try for a long time, the Method body washes. I am a Dove junkie, but I do, again, like my products, I like to try different things to see the best, what's the best of the best. So I've got Method white tea and Method coconut milk body washes, and actually I think my son would enjoy these as well. So he's in the shower age now. He started showering about maybe 2 years ago, so he's been really into like different body washes as well. So this is something that him and I can both use, and I'm excited for those as well. I also got this Jason Power Smile whitening paste in vanilla peppermint. I've heard, my son has used this brand of toothpaste before, but I've heard a lot of good things about it. And when I saw it on Grove, I decided to give it a try. I've never seen this at like Target or Walmart. Maybe I just haven't been looking for it, but I do like this brand. Everything I've tried from them has been good. So when I saw it on Grove, I was like, why not? So I grabbed that. And then Grove is also carrying a lot of kitchen-y things, like different reusable snack bags and food prep bags and stuff like that. So when I saw this, I was pretty intrigued. So this is a 2-pack, and it's actually a little bit larger than I thought, and it's for food storage. So I'm gonna open this up so you guys can see. So there's 2 containers in here. The brand is Preserve. I don't know if I said that, but there's 2 reusable containers in here. So they look like this. Let me see if I can lay these out and show you guys. So they look like this. That's a pretty decent size. So I feel like I could fit a nice size salad. It's got some depth. And I do like the shape of it. It's kind of cool. But yeah, dishwasher safe. Where's that little label go? So this is made with recycled plastic, and it's for food storage. It's BPA free. It's microwave and dishwasher safe. And yeah, I saw that Grove had these, and they had a few other different containers, but a lot of the ones they already carried, I already have similar versions. But now that I'm working outside the home, I'm finding I need more containers for meal prepping and salads and things like that. So I'm excited for these. So yeah, guys, this is everything I got from Grove today. Super excited to try out a few items that I've never tried before, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to show you now some clothing items that I've picked up, and I will leave that Grove referral link right down below so you can check out what 5-piece gift set they're offering right now. Alright guys, next I wanted to share some clothing items I have picked up over the past few weeks. This first one here is this dress I got at TJ Maxx. It's always hard to see on camera, but it has like a seam here in the middle under the kind of the upper torso, and then it sort of flares out a little bit, and it's like very slightly ruched right here, and it's like a baby bubblegum pink with navy blue kind of cheetah or leopard stripes. And I actually got this not only to wear in the summer, but for a couple different little events like baby showers, baby sprinkles, birthday parties, something like that. I have an option, and it was $19.99 at TJ Maxx. It was actually in the junior section, I believe, and it just fit really good and looked really nice. So I picked that up, and it was a nice way to get a cute dress that's going to get plenty of use for under $20. The next dress I got is also from TJ Maxx. It is a gray ribbed dress. The tag's inside. Hold on. And I also got this in the junior section, and it has like this seam here, and then it sort of flares out a little bit. It's really flattering, and I'm actually going to wear it with a little jean jacket that I'll show you guys in a minute. And I believe this dress was also $19.99 at TJ Maxx as well. And then for the couple new jobs that I have, they do allow you to wear jeans, but the jeans can't have holes in them. And I wanted to get a few new tops that were kind of more work appropriate. I do have plenty of clothing items that I can wear in my regular wardrobe, but I am pretty much like a very t-shirt or hoodie and leggings or jeans kind of a person. So I wanted to get just a few items that were a little bit more dressed up without being too businessy, because most of the people that I work with wear just jeans with a top like this. So I actually went to JCPenney because I was walking through there to go to the Sephora in there, and I actually saw these tops and I immediately fell in love with them. I actually posted a picture on my Instagram when you guys are seeing this, probably a couple weeks ago, maybe a week ago, and a lot of you guys asked me where it was from. And JCPenney has really good sales. I got these on, they were having like a friends and family sale, so it was like 40% off your purchase over a certain amount of money. So I grabbed this one here, which is this blue and white one. And what I love is the neckline does not show like cleavage, or you're not showing your boobs. You don't need to wear something underneath it. The brand is Anna, A-N-A. And all of these have like this gathering in the bottom, which I really like. And it's just flattering. The sleeves have this little button here, but it's not constricting. I don't like anything constricting or tight. I like everything to be flowy. So I've got that one. I also got the same top in this pink color, again with this little gathering on the bottom. And I thought this would be really pretty for spring as well and to wear to work. And then I also got, this is the one that I originally saw, guys, that I loved. I also got this one here. It's in this sort of pinky coral color with like a white vertical stripe. And they're just really flattering. And I'm pretty sure when they were having that sale, I ended up paying like $20 for them, and they're originally like 30 something. And then this is a jean jacket that I mentioned earlier. I actually had another jean jacket that I absolutely loved, but it was too tight on my boobs and I could not button it. It fit everywhere else, the arms, the waist, it was just too tight right in the boob area. So I sold that jacket and I kept the money to find a new one, and I had been looking for a new one, and I found the best one that I love at TJ Maxx, and this is the Lucky brand. Hopefully you can see that. And I went with a large because it fits over my boobs. The medium was a better fit on my frame, but the button was tight on the chest. So I needed something that I could button over my chest without any struggle. So I went with a large. The sleeves are slightly cropped, so they're not like a full-length sleeve, but I've actually found I've been cuffing them like this, just one little cuff. And I really like the color. It has a nice amount of distressing, but no holes or nothing too raggedy looking. And it actually looks really good over that gray dress that I showed you guys. And I've worn this also with jeans. I love the denim on denim look if you do it right. And I just like it. It was $39.99. The original price was $108. This is a little bit more of an expensive brand. So I was really happy to find it at TJ Maxx. I'm going to show you guys the back really quick. So here is the back. Again, it has that distressing, but nothing too crazy with holes or fraying. And I just really love it. So yeah, those are the things I picked up clothing wise. I did find a pair of slides from Walmart. I shared these on Instagram a while back, and a lot of you guys ran out and bought them because they are cute, they are comfortable, but guys, they are $7.96. My Walmart is already sold out of them, so I'm glad I grabbed them right away. They're like a coppery rose gold. They remind me of like a shiny brand new penny. And the brand is Time and True, and they're actually really comfortable. They don't rub. They're actually padded underneath here where my fingers are. There's some padding. I love them. I've only worn them around the house because it's still too cold here to wear open-toe shoes, although we are getting there. And they were $7.96, so I thought, how can you beat that? I actually needed a new pair because a pair I had from last year were pretty raggedy looking, so I tossed those, replaced them with these, and I love them. So if you can find them at your Walmart, definitely get them, but I don't know, maybe your better option might be online. Again, the brand is Time and True. Alright guys, the last thing I thought I would share with you is something I got in my P.O. box from a company. Different companies send different things to try out. They never, you know, I'm not obligated to share it, but I just thought I would share this because I got it in my P.O. box today and it was perfect timing. So this is a Variety Fun box. Here is the website if you're curious. And I guess it's like a snack box, and you can get them sent to like your office or your home. I'm just going to cut this part open, and here it is. So this is the snack box they sent me. Didn't even know it was coming. They just sent it. So it has all different snacks in it. Again, you can get it sent to your office or your home. So this one's got Fuji apple, crunchy dried snacks. It's got some Boom Chicka Pop, some Skinny Pop. It's got Squeaky Pop, popped chickpea chips. It's got Bonitos. I've had these before. They're good. I haven't had this flavor. It's got veggie straws. It's got some veggie crisps. Some of the Kettle barbecue chips. I've had these before too. They're good. Kettle corn chips. Pop chips. Zesty jalapeno cheddar. Wow, there's a lot of snacks in here. It's got these chickpea puff hippies, vegan white cheddar. And then there's protein crisps in brick oven pizza. There are Smart Sweet gummy bears, sour. Quest protein cookie. Oh my gosh, look at all this stuff, guys, in here. It's got the Baja bean. It says crunchy broad beans. Never heard of it. Annie's Bunny Grams. Some coconut chips. Some Nature's Bandits. It's got cookie thins. It's got Fig Bar, Cliff Bar, chickpea snacks, pomegranate flavored pistachios, the RX bars. I've had these before. It's got a gluten-free cranberry toasted almond bar, some olives, chili and oregano olives. I don't know if I said Kind bar already. An IQ bar, a grass-fed beef stick. So pretty healthy things. So again, they have a variety. I saw online they have like a healthier box, which is this one, and then they have kind of your normal box with things like, you know, Doritos and, you know, more like Frito-Lay kind of brands. But wow, I'm impressed because that is not that big of a box, and all of this stuff was in there. I'm really excited. This is going to be really good. And this is perfect timing. I can grab these things and go to work. Anything that I'm just not interested in, my mother would gladly take. She's a much more healthy eater than me. But yeah, guys, I am pretty impressed, I have to say. I was not expecting, for one, this many things and this kind of variety. I actually thought it would be maybe a lot of repeats, and I don't think there was any repeats items. So, again, if you're interested, it's varietyfun.com, and check it out if this is something that you think would be a good idea for you to try new things. I have found from snack boxes in the past, it's helped me to discover new brands and new items that I would, you know, normally have never heard of. So I'm excited to try some of these things. I hope you guys enjoyed this collective haul, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.